Thank you for always taking care of us even though you had stressful days. Thank you for the love, the laughter you always share.
Happy birthday, Mama! Wish namin sa'yo is good health and maging masaya ka lang sa birthday mo. At salamat sa pag-aalaga kay Fia kapag nandyan po siya sa Porac. At yun po, mahal na mahal po namin kayo. Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Ma. Ayan, sana maging masaya ka sa birthday mo ngayon. Good health, tsaka huwag niyo pababayaan sa sarili niyo. Di man natuloy yung birthday mo, pero paghahanda ka sana namin kaso hindi lang dahil sa nangyari ay hindi natuloy. Pero, ayun, malay mo pag umuwi ako, mag-celebrate tayo, di ba? Ayan, happy 70th birthday and enjoy po kayo, Ma. Love you.
God bless po.
God bless.
Happy birthday, Mama! So, yun, happy 70th birthday, Mama! So, nagpapasalamat kami lagi sa Panginoon na yun nga, binibigyan pa kayo ng kalakasan ng katawan. So, ang wish ko lang is yun nga, more birthdays to come and bigyan pa kayo ng matatag na pangangatawan. So, para kahit pa paano ay makita mo pang lumaki yung mga apo at makapag-bonding pa more bondings together.
Ayun ma, happy birthday po. Ang wish lang po namin, hindi lang ako, kundi pati yung mga anak at mga apo na nabigyan pa kayo ng magandang kalusugan ng Panginoon para makapagbuo tayo ng marami pang memories na magkakasama. Happy birthday, Ma.
Happy birthday, Ma! Gusto nang sabihin na thankful ako na ikaw ang nag-alaga sa akin simulang bata pa ako. Kahit kaunti lang ang presence ng mami ko, nandyan ka palagi. Inaalagaan mo ako, sinusuportahan mo ako, at inintindihan mo ako. Alam ko, hindi ko man palagi sinasabi to na appreciate kita sobra. Dahil sa lahat ng mga sacrifices mo, tsaka sa pagmamahal mo sa amin. Salamat din pala sa mga advices na binibigay mo sa akin. Isa ka sa pinakamahalagang tao sa buhay ko. Di ko alam kung ano mangyayari sa akin kung wala ka na. Sana din masaya ka ngayon dahil birthday mo, tsaka okay na si tatay. Sana ma-bless ka ni Lord na marami dahil deserve mo yan. Yung last wish ko din para sa'yo is sana mahabang buhay mo para makita mo kaming lahat maging successful sa buhay. Yun lang masasabi ko. Happy birthday ulit, Ma. I love you.
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday!
Thank you for taking care of us when we were little, and you will always be a very important person in our life. Happy birthday, Auntie! Wish you all the best, and we will see you soon in Philippines.
Happy birthday, Lily! long time see you.
And we miss you.
好想去找你啊。
We're gonna visit you very soon, hopefully in the coming years.
Bye bye.
Alright, bye bye.
Happy birthday, Auntie. I'm always grateful that the love you gave us when we were young and take care of us. And I hope you have a wonderful day today and wishing you a good health, happiness, and many beautiful moments in the year ahead. And I love you.
Birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Remy. Happy birthday to you. Happy 70.
Greetings from Baguio.
Happy 70th birthday to the most caring, loving, and generous auntie.
Wishing you good health, more blessings, laughter, and all the pampering you deserve today.
We love you. Happy birthday.
Ate Remy, happy 70th birthday. Thanks sa friendship na nabuo natin mula nung kami tumira dyan sa Santa Cruz. from 1998 till now. It's been 28 years. Tanda na natin. But anyway, in behalf of my family, happy 70th birthday. Wishing you all the happiness and stay healthy. So you're gonna enjoy in taking care of your grandchildren. Again, happy 70th birthday.
Hi, Auntie Reming. Wishing you a happy birthday. Greetings from Narding and family. Enjoy your day.
Mag-wish ka.
Si Sing, happy birthday niya. Sana maging malusog tayo na. And ang really important sa atin. Love you all. Lalo na si Pagkis.
Lalo si Pia.
Si Bagayga.
Blow mo na daw.
Love you.
Happy birthday, Lola Remy! Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
Ulit.
Happy birthday, Mama. Ay,
Thank you for being Mama always through night and day. We may not be so perfect sons and daughter, but you and Tate are perfect parents to us that we love you always and will never end. Like married couples do, till death do us part. Happy birthday, Mama Remy.